Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our today's topic is pronoun. This pro means instead, and this noun means any naming word, the name of person, place, or thing. The pronoun means the word that is used instead of a noun. प्रोनाउन उस वर्ड को कहते हैं जो नाउन के बदले इस्तेमाल किया जाए. बट वाई, अगर नाउन इस्तेमाल हो जाता है तो प्रोनाउन क्यों? इट हैज़ अ रीज़न. While writing down a passage, the repetition of noun makes that passage, that essay, that article, that paragraph very boring. For example, रशीद नाउन नाम है. अगर हम रशीद के बारे में कुछ लिखते हैं फिर रशीद का नाम बार बार लिखेंगे. रशीद is a teacher. Rashid's father is doing this job. Rashid has two sisters. Rashid is living at Hanwara. Rashid has two kids. ये बार बार रशीद 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 का नाम repeat again and again. It makes the topic or it makes the content very boring. So to avoid the repetition, कि ये repetition बार बार किसी चीज़ का नाम ठीक किसी पैसेज में ना आए तो उसके बदले हम pronoun यूज करते हैं. So pronoun simply means the word that is used instead of noun. But there are certain facts that we should know before mentioning the noun. Before mentioning the noun, pronoun is not used or should not be used, or the pronoun should be mentioned only and or until the noun itself is mentioned. तब तक हम प्रोनाउन मेंशन नहीं कर सकते जब तक न नाउन मेंशन किया गया. और प्रोनाउन मस्ट बी ऑफ द सेम, और ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि प्रोनाउन मस्ट बी ऑफ द सेम नंबर, जेंडर और पर्सन. कि प्रोनाउन नाउन क्या है, सिंगुलर है कि प्लूरल है, उसी हिसाब से हमें प्रोनाउन यूज करना है. कि नाउन का जेंडर क्या है, मस्कुलाइन है, फेमिनाइन है. पर्सन क्या है, वो फर्स्ट पर्सन है, सेकंड पर्सन है, थर्ड पर्सन है, वहां पे भी देखना है फिर सिंगुलर है कि प्लूरल है. तो इन चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि जब हम प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं, और तब तक हम प्रोनाउन मेंशन ही नहीं कर ना यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं जब तक नाउन मेंशन किया गया. सो देयर आर various kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun, personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, relative pronouns, or interrogative pronouns. These are all the kinds of pronouns. Now we will discuss here the first kind or first type, that is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a pronoun that is used instead of name of a person. Instead of name of a person. जो पर्सन के नाम के बजाय यूज किया जाए उसको पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन जो आपकी नॉलेज में होगा, फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर आई, प्लूरल वी. But these pronouns are used in as subjective cases. In possessive cases, subjective cases means used as subject, and possessive cases means that shows that this thing belongs to. Possessive cases belongs to. And in possessive cases, with first person I, my is used, and with we, our is used. I. For example, I do my job. I do my job. मैंने अपना काम किया. My job, मेरा काम. Our, हम, हमारा. मैं, मेरा. This shows the possessive, that this thing belongs to me. And in objective cases, I, with I, me is used, and with we, ours is used in objective cases. Or our also is used. Second person, you. It is used both as singular and as plural. It is you is subjective case. In object case, you is also used in objective case, and in possessive case, your or yours is used. You, your, of, आपका, या तुम, तुम्हारा. Then third person, he, masculine, she, feminine, and it, neuter. Neuter means when the sex is not mentioned, whether it is a masculine or feminine. You, he and she as subjective cases, and in possessive cases, with he, his is used, and with she, her is used. In objective cases, with he, him is used, and with she, her is used. It is used with the names of animals, or the things without life, that is non-living things without life. It is used things with the things without life, with the things when the sex is not mentioned. For example, children, और when we speaking of weather, जब वेदर की बात की जाए या सीजन की बात की जाए या टाइम की बात की जाए तो उस समय इट यूज हो जाता है in case of subject, and in case of possessive cases it's and third person singular, third person plural, they as subjective case, and as possessive case their, at possessive case their or theirs is used with it, and in objective case them is used with it. He, for example, he swallowed rare drugs and dash his body became invisible or transparent. Here he is used as subject. Here he swallowed rare drugs. उसने कुछ अजीब दवाई खाई and his उसका जिस्म गायब. His, it shows the position that whose body, his body. In class 10th English, page number 27, there is a question. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of pronoun in the following. He swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became transparent. The horse fell down and broke animal. With animals it is used. Its leg. Horse गिर गया और उसने अपनी टांग तोड़ दी या तोड़वाई. There are 6 doors in this room, but they are all closed. I cannot find my watch. My. It is hard to believe that they have changed their approach. They have changed their subjective case and objective possessive case. They have changed their approach. This book is mine. In case of object or possessive case, my and mine is also used. Is that my book or yours? Nobody but he or she was absent. Nobody but he or she was absent. I found him or her. Here it is the objective case. I found him. I found his not. I found his use नहीं होगा. I found him or him. I found her or him very helpful. Wait for me or go with her or him. Wait for me or go with her or him. जो भी आप यूज करें. So it was a personal pronoun. Now tomorrow we will discuss the reflexive pronoun. The question regarding that is also asked in 12th textbook. उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आया होगा. और कल हम बिहेवियर ऑफ प्रोनाउन कि जब एक ही सेंटेंस में तीनों पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन यूज हो जाए तो वहाँ पे कौन सा प्रोनाउन किस तरीके से यूज करना है. जब एक ही सेंटेंस में दो प्रोनाउन या तीन प्रोनाउन या टू पर्सन या थ्री पर्सन in the same sentence are used, what should be there, and what is the rule there. Thanks.